Hey everybody, this is Mark again for Foxwell. Today we're unboxing an i70 tablet scanner. And let's see what's in the box. So it comes with a nice molded plastic case to keep it protected while you're not working on cars. And inside the case we have some paperwork that flies out at you right off the bat. You got a packing list, a warranty card, quick start guide, and since this was a beta version, I didn't get a user's manual, but you'll get one when you order yours. This is the scanner. This is what it looks like. Again, it's 7 inches, has a rear-facing camera, a kickstand, and the interface, once we power this up, works exactly like the Big Brother i70 Pro. Also in the case is a data cable to connect the scanner to the vehicle with an OBD2 adapter, a 2 amp charger with a USB Type-C cable to charge up the tablet. Unlike other Foxwell scanners, this scanner does not use the car's power to power it up. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour, let me get that straight, lithium polymer battery. The processor is an MT8163 tablet scanner processor. It's an Android-based system. It's quad-core, running at 1.3 gigahertz, and it has 1 gigabyte of RAM memory with a 32 gigabyte hard drive to hold all the data files and customer information and different vehicles that you've got loaded to the scanner. So that's what the scanner interface looks like. That's what the contents of the kit, and in a future video we'll upload some images and some video of what it actually looks like when you connect it to the vehicle. If you have any questions, go to the foxwelltech.us website, foxwelltech.us, pull up products, and then pull up the i70 to get all the specifics on the scanner.